Hello, welcome to Capsim GlobalDNA 2024, the top 10 winning tips to win on rounds. This detailed guide and tip for our 6 own decision to get the top result. You can check the other previous video to see the top 10 winning tips. This detailed guide and tip for round 6 when we have the top result I show you now. Top result of round 6. You see we have very high sales here. Top sales and also close to top stop price and also the top profit I see. So we can lead the game in round 6, 7 and 8 because we have spent the right investment for the strategy right from round 1. So I show you again on the decision. So for the R&D we checked here for the budget and performance segment. Budget and performance segment to see the price range and the position for the speed and accuracy for the two products. Then we update the product to budget products, check the launching date here, and to the performance products we update with higher speed and accuracies, and also the reason kit, right? And for the marketing we keep check the unit result from last round in 3 markets here, Europe and Asia Pacific, right? And then we calculate. We need to do that for. We have 4 products in 3 segments, so we need to do that 12 times, right? So we check the price for the products, and also we check the price, set the price, and also calculate the sales forecast here. Maintain the good promotion and sales. You have the best awareness and accessibilities. And for the production, it is important to have high capacities here. So we increase capacity a lot. Automation 5.5 is okay for this round. So we set again we have 3 products and 4 products in 3 market region, and then we need to do that for 12 times, right? For calculation for 12 times. And for the finance is quite simple because we can keep a lot of cash here to avoid emergency loss. And you see the sales here, we have very high sales and nearly 10% of net profit in this GlobalDNA, Capsim GlobalDNA. 10% of profit is good enough, right? Can lead the game. So that's the overview of the Capsim GlobalDNA for round 6 to get the top result and top 10 winning tips. You can download the free Excel file or send email if you had any question. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.